हाय एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज़ अर्चना राय। तो आज हम आए हैं लेक्चर ओकविल पोरविडा रेस्टोरेंट। इट्स अ मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट। आई लाइक इट एक्चुअली, क्वाइट गुड place. It's in downtown, right? Downtown Oakville. Let me give you a quick visit. This is the place, and they have very good patio in here. And here we are sitting. Let me quickly give you a tour. This is the gate, and यहाँ से हम enter होते हैं तो बहुत ही सुंदर beautiful है. This is their cash bar, and it's very beautiful. And this is the restaurant area. It's so beautiful. I love it. Actually, the ambience is so good, and the foods are also good. The service is too good. Basically, this is day before on my birthday, and we are just here to enjoy our evening, and I like it. If you want to try this Mexican restaurant, do visit this Porvida in Lakeshore Oakville.
क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में,
Thank you.
खो गए प्यार की रागिनी में। ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी